Hey, how's it going? Amelia here. Let's see what's making news. Air pollution has become a massive problem in parts of India. Right now in Delhi, it's reached such a dangerous level that schools have closed and people have been told to stay inside to protect themselves.
This smoky haze is covering India's capital territory, Delhi. Around 40 million people live here, and right now the smog is so bad that authorities have declared a public health emergency. While air pollution is a common problem in Delhi, it's never been this bad before. In fact, experts reckon breathing in the air here is equivalent to smoking 33 cigarettes a day.
It's suffocating and we feel like coughing.
Schools have been closed and flights have been diverted because it's hard for pilots to see. So what's caused it? Well, a big problem at this time of year is farmers burning crops to clear their fields, and fireworks were recently set off for an Indian cultural festival. Add those to things like car fumes and you have a big problem. It's hoped that some upcoming rainfall will help to clear the smog. But until then, people are being told to stay indoors and avoid the polluted air.
We've told you before about the drought that people are going through in parts of New South Wales and Queensland. Well, on the weekend, some of them got a really exciting surprise: rain. A bunch of towns in New South Wales saw up to 90 millimetres of rain fall over the past couple of days. And as you can see, there were plenty of celebrations.
Brilliant.
Some of these towns haven't had any rain since July, and while this doesn't mean the drought is over, it's a pretty good start. What do you do with your spare time if you're an astronaut living on the International Space Station? Bake cookies, of course. Seriously, this rocket is carrying a specially designed space oven which will be used in experiments on the ISS. Astronauts will be testing how high heat and zero gravity affects what shape the cookies are and how they taste. We don't know what the dough is, but I hope it's double choc chip. Love those ones. Tennis fans, it's time to celebrate because Ash Barty has officially finished the year as world #1. And to top it all off, she just won the WTA finals with the biggest prize money in tennis history.
This was the moment Ash Barty capped off an amazing year.
Game, set, match, Barty.
She beat Alina Svitolina to win the WTA finals in China last night, a comp for the year's best female tennis players. But she didn't just win this big trophy, she also pocketed $6.4 million for coming in first. That's the biggest prize ever won by a tennis player, male or female. But of course, Barty gave all the credit to her team.
I believe I have the best team in the world. I'm a very lucky girl.
It's pretty amazing when you think she started the year as world number 15, but put in some awesome performances, including winning the French Open, which really boosted her numbers. But no matter how great 2019 was, Barty says she's already looking forward to next year.
The most amazing thing is now we get time to reflect and to rest and then kind of recharge and re-energise and get ready for a massive 2020.
We think she definitely deserves that rest.
Alright, these next stories are all about discovering something new. Sometimes it's good, sometimes not so much. Either way, it's discovery time. Discovering your skyscraper has a leak? Well, that probably falls into the not so great category. Onlookers were super confused when they saw water streaming from this 61-floor building onto the street below. Turns out it was a yearly fire drill gone wrong. Well, better to know now, right? If you're going to discover something, then a lost shipwreck has got to be right up there. This British World War II submarine vanished with 44 people on board back in 1942, but now, after 20 years of searching the seas off the coast of Malta, it's been found 130 metres down, lying at the bottom of the ocean. And there's nothing like discovering you have a twin. No? Hasn't happened to you? Well, these 2-month-old twin pandas have been reunited at Berlin Zoo. They were separated after they were born, but it looks like they're already picking up on that freaky cool twin connection thing. Well, that's it for today, but let us know, what kind of cookie would you bake in space if you had that opportunity? Comment below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like if you liked it. Really hope you did. Thanks for watching.